Welcome to MarineMax of Rogers. My name is Josh Simonson. Today I want to walk you through a brand new 2021 Boston Whaler 15 Montauk that we just unwrapped. It's the only 15 Montauk we have in stock currently. Probably one of my most favorite boats that Boston Whaler makes. It's a really fun boat. You can do a lot with it. You can go cruise with it. It's got a nice fishing package. And I'll walk you through a little bit about what we got here. So obviously Whaler is a very tough boat. It's made with a lot of fiberglass. You can actually, they're known for, if the boat got cut in half, it would still float. So the unsinkable legend, they like to call it. We did put the standard 60 horse Merc on here. So this is the 4-stroke. Very good on gas with this particular engine. Really easy to use. Like I said, we did do the fishing package. So you get a couple nice rod holders here. There is a bucket right there. And then you have your nice live well in here too. So you just put that in there. You can turn the live well on. A couple stainless steel cup holders in the back. We've got the gas tank right underneath the seat. And then the great thing about the Montauks are their center console. They're kind of fun. They're just a blast to drive. You can sit down with the backrest just like this. I've got a few other options here. You can go there, here, or you can even do one more and face backward. Or a lot of people like to do this. You have a little footwell in here and you can stand and drive. Really nice, a lot of fun. We did option it with a stereo, so this is the JL audio. You get a couple speakers here. You get the Fusion head unit. So that does have the Bluetooth technology, so you can hook it up to your phone. We do have a couple stainless steel cup holders up here. And then on this side over here, it's hard to see, I know, but there's a USB, a 12 volt, and there's an aux port up there. As you can see above us, we've got the nice Bimini. So in the up position, it sits just like this, and then obviously you can take the boot off, unfold it, and it'll get nice coverage right in the middle. It's very easy to take off and on, so if there's a day you don't need it, you can take it off, leave it back at home. We did option it too with the teak. So there's kind of nice teak steps here and one on the other side as well. Along with the fishing package, you got more rod holders here. There's a couple cup holders. You do get the nice backrest. This is removable. And then a cooler that's in here as well. Obviously that can be removable. And then a cushion on here. We did add a cushion here. This is removable as well. And underneath here, there's some storage, probably for an anchor. Boston Whaler has massive cleats, so these are really nice through-bolted cleats. We did option it too to get it all set up for a trolling motor. So if you wanted to, it's all set up for that. The other thing that you don't see on here is we did add a console cover. So you could cover the whole entire console if you wanted to. Again, it's a Whaler. I mean, these are boats that are really tough to find, especially used, but we have this brand new 2021 here in Rogers. We'll have it on display on our showroom here. So give us a call or set up an appointment, come take a look at it. And as always, please click the like button and click to subscribe to see all the videos we're putting out on a daily basis.